Hi guys, King and Brie here. Say hi, Brie. She's busy watching TV. Anyway, I have picked up another Funko Pop. It's a exclusive, a San Diego 2015 Comic-Con exclusive. Me and Jewel are a big fan of this character, and when I saw this variant of it, I had to pick it up. And once again, it was on eBay, but it's very affordable. Placed it low bid, and I got it. So it's the cheesy nip Skipper with all the cheese on his face. So it is a Funko Pop Summer Convention exclusive, not San Diego. Let's open them up. Yeah. What is this, Brie? Is that a penguin? Let's take a look. Oh my god, this pop is hilarious. He is covered in cheese. He's holding his bag, little cheesy nip. He had a little flat head. His body's matte finish. But the best part of it is, if you guys have never seen Madagascar, the penguin is the best part of the movie. I believe this scene was from their Penguin movie. Ooh, bless you. You okay? Bless you. Yeah, the scene where they were getting recruited, and Skipper was just questioning the lion, the recruiter, and every time he tried to explain to him what they're about, he's eating the cheesy nibbles. So, baby, you gonna show? Yeah, no cheesy nibble. The bag, it's very detailed. The little curl, cheese curl, had a little texture. The little bag itself. I gotta say, this is one of my favorite pop. Like, beside the Batman stuff. Like, this is outside Batman, it's one of my favorite pop. Yeah, so please rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. Make sure if you want to follow me on Instagram, Chinese FYE Spice, and come play with me on PlayStation, Chinese FYE Spice also. I'm playing a lot of Rainbow Six, and also I'll be doing, when the game come out, on Channel 4, I'll be doing a Let's Play. So that's it. Baby, say bye bye. Alright, bye bye. There you go.